irresponsible. Like the not irresponsible.
Hmm.
The insurance companies, they
Yeah.
don't know how to do their jobs, bro. Honestly.
Funniest part, the guy that was handling her case called her yesterday. He's like, "Hey, did you get that insurance thing sorted?" She was like, "Yo, my car got seized." Yeah, it's like,
It's like, yeah, thanks for that, bro. Yeah, thanks for sorting me out.
hmm. Yes,
Nuts, man.
yeah, that was all the shit that was going on yesterday. I was like, yeah, there's
So
always something going on, man.
always, mate. Never is never gonna stop ever.
Hmm.
It's just the way it is, isn't it? So, hello, people. I don't know. The one person that's on this stream is actually you, isn't it? Because you've got it open on YouTube.
Me,
Huh?
me.
Oh yeah, So let me just pop this into the stream, and that we got some people coming in. We've just gone long a little bit in gold. Very
Yeah,
very late to get into this, but I still think it's coming in. Let
me.
me just share this as well. But maybe Denzel, you can do your thing. While Alex is not traded. He looks like sportsman today, mate. I got my Pringles hat. You know, there you go. Got a Pringles hat. I couldn't be asked to do my hair today, man.
Yeah,
Oh, it's getting long. Well, this is already coming down. I'll put it on for you, Denzel, and you do your thing, and I'll pop this up on the Discord and that.
yeah. So I'm looking at GJ once again. So yesterday, DJ actually respected that first zone that we had. Then from that point, we began to sell. So yeah, today looks like it's a bearish type of day. Once again, it's Friday. So Fridays,
Mm.
it's just one of those days you just have to kind of be easy with it.
Yeah,
I
indeed.
saw I saw some nice opportunities on the 3 minute this morning. Like today, after London session started, basically Asia's highs got swept. Price came back up around 8-ish, half 8. Price just decided to go into the downside. There was an opportunity that I missed out on here. Uh, how was the setup looking like? Yeah, the setup was basically simple. Like, so yeah, with this indicator, it kind of shows you the Asia high, the Asia low, and we have like a little mid-range section. So that mid-range can usually act as support or resistance. So as you can see, at pretty much midnight, it acted as support. Then that was that. Then today at around half 11, it acted as resistance, pretty much selling all the way to Asia's low. This was with the 10 pip stop loss. So even now, like price is still making lower lows and lower highs. So I still do think GJ has so much potential to keep selling towards the downside, even maybe like take out yesterday's low. It's probably not going to happen today, really and truly, because we don't
Mm.
even have any USD news today.
We had some earlier.
Oh, did we?
Yeah, we had a little bit earlier. It pushed gold up just a little bit. Um,
Could have been on FX Street.
Try if what's the one that I use, man?
Forex Live?
Forex calendar.
Oh,
Yeah, my Forex book or something like that.
my FX,
My
my,
effort. Yeah, yeah.
okay. Yeah, that actually was news. Well,
It was all right. It because I tell you what, today I was playing around with playing around in gold.
hmm,
I was. Oh, I've got it. That's what it looks like on MT5. Let's turn this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this fucking. Sorry about this, guys. So, like yesterday, we had all of this really nice price. We were long here as well. Remember, we were like long up here. Got out at the end of the stream. It actually turned around and went to that EMA, which would have been that would have been a banger trade if we would have left that.
yeah,
To be fair, but we had a bit of this consolidation right here, and it was only after the news came out So all of this consolidation, I was originally long, but all of this price action here, I was like, this isn't doing anything. And it was only after the news came out that we started getting a bit of a breakout. I don't know if it's going to be a sustained breakout yet because it just looks like it's getting a bit weaker. But man, I think we should start trading more gold there, Denzel, bro.
Hmm.
I know you're a bit tricky with it. I know you don't. You got some funny feelings about it, but
So, are you long or short on gold today?
so on Funding Rock, I've just got long for the stream,
Yeah,
but I'm already out of the position on live.
yeah. I actually was looking at gold before we started. I'm long as well.
It looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, like gold is just. I don't even know what to say, man. Like, really and truly, it's just
It's got good structures at the moment.
yeah. Like yesterday, yesterday 1 o'clock ish. Yeah, it just shot up, boom, 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 broke yesterday's previous day high. Yeah, I think we're actually kind of bullish from the
Mm.
1 hour, 4 hour, kind of still bullish. It's like we've got this. We still like we actually haven't closed above this area on the 4 hour since last week. So like it was like resistance, resistance. We had a wick from yesterday. Another wick then was bearish. It came back, rejected. The last 4 hour candle came up, rejected. We're currently rejecting it right now. So it's like, is it something that we're missing? Or is this zone just a good zone? Like nice support. What does the daily time frame look like? Boy, on the daily, it's just bullish and go bullish, kind of like a bullish engulfing.
It's difficult, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like super. It's difficult, man.
Then the weekly, we came all the way down. We're rejecting. It's like,
If the monthly closes above 4K,
yeah. Then on the monthly, we had that huge rejection. Like, yeah, gold. I've,
makes me just want to sit out and watch it. To be honest,
yeah, like I've been seeing online, a lot of people talking about sells.
yeah. Some people have been saying like 3,300 and stuff, crazy shit like that.
Yeah, what?
Some Twitter traders, man, honestly, crazy. Some of the stuff that's coming out.
I just
But
don't know when it's gonna sell.
we'll see. At the moment, it's coming down to my stop. I put my stop in a really silly place, but because we've got super silly place, like they didn't really need to just jump in straight away because it still looks really decent.
Mm.
But I was just like, okay, let's just get long on the stream. But we've got that breakout of the trend line. I'm looking. This is the retest on the EMAs, and then the continuation to break and take it out.
Mhm.
And the market structure is pretty nice. If we just have a look at all of this here, it looks all right.
Yes,
So we'll see.
but Alex is not a trader. He looks like a sportsman today.
Mate, I don't think I've had my hair this long
Yeah,
in years, man. I used to have a buzz cut.
shit.
It's fucking long, bro.
I think the long hair suits better, man.
You reckon?
Yeah. Well, I've never seen you without it, so
Oh, mate, you should see it. I got some. If you go on the old Fiverr streams, you'll see me on there with like a buzz cut, man. Yeah, good days.
what made you grow it out?
Just a change, man.
Yeah.
I only cut my hair because I just couldn't be asked to do it in the mornings.
Mm.
Mate, you know one of those ones where you wake up and it's just like
Yeah.
so annoying. But these days it's just like a little bit longer, so it's a lot easier to manage.
Yeah.
All right, so the market's just opened.
Let's go.
Let's have a look at S&P. Let's see if that's up or down. Okay, that's down.
Ooh. Yeah, they're all negative today.
Ooh, okay. EU's probably. Wow. Wow. Missed that.
Damn.
Missed that.
Damn.
Falling off a cliff, huh?
Hmm.
Nuts. Let's see how much risk I've got on this. It shouldn't be 1%. It's less. And then it's like a negative risk to reward, to be fair. But I still like this trade just for going up. If it breaks underneath this level, like the EMAs and through here, then I'll cut it. But seems all right at the moment. Market structure looks pretty good. Come back into a 50, got all the EMAs, got there's a lot of confluence. I don't know why I would get in like there, but we shall see, man. That's it, guys. I don't know who's in here. There's not many people in here, but you've got 40% off using Sackit FX Halloween 40. All right. I made that code. Sorry, it's a little bit long. Sackit FX Halloween 40. Okay. So that's going to give you 40% off any account that you guys want.
If I were you guys, just go straight for the 200K or the 100K.
Me personally, if you would have asked me last week, I would have gone for like 200K. But now I'm just like, I've burnt myself so much. I'm just like, yeah, 100K. Easy does it.
Yeah.
But that's me, innit? You're pretty on top of your stuff at the moment, so. Wilski just passed his.
Come on.
Savage.
He is a force that cannot be stopped.
Yeah, really nice trading, to be fair.
Wow.
But he ate what, like a 6 or 7 trade losing streak?
Yeah.
For a swing trader, man, that's rough, bro.
It gets like that.
Yeah.
But I feel like once you leave it and get them wins back, you're just like, okay. Oof.
There's nothing like having some, like, you got that confidence in your trades, man. I need forever.
Sackit FX Halloween 40. What a discount.
What a coupon code.
By challenge.
Let's go through. We haven't actually gone through Manila markets. So let's have a look at silver. Same as gold, really. Come back over that EMA. It's touched. Silver looks like an opportunity to also get long, but for a swing. Dixie obviously on daily market structure has just been bullish the whole time. Like, we keep
going up.
Just looking how bullish it is. I think the next level to be taken for EU is 1503.
Yeah.
That's nuts. So this level right here, 1503, it looks like the next level that it wants to come to. I haven't even got levels down here for pound, to be honest.
Going down.
Yeah, man.
And I wish there was some sort of indicator that those are all for you on
TrendSpider has it
on TradingView.
Not on TradingView. TrendSpider is like a TradingView competitor.
Yeah. TrendSpider, yeah.
TrendSpider. It's a little bit more pricey, I think, but they've got they do all the levels and everything for you.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's quite good. So also, who's calling me now? Oh mate. What else? Pound and British pound, Euro pound. Well, to be fair, I wouldn't be surprised if we see next week maybe a retracement back down. This level though, I'm looking to long this level. Like that 87.51 level
Yeah.
on pound, euro pound looks delicious, mate.
Hmm.
I'm talking about full margin on
Yeah.
that. That's a full margin trade right there.
Daily. What's that daily? What time?
Yeah, this is a daily, so something I'll just do something
Oh,
probably like that. If we have a look at a 1 hour, what would that look like? Yeah, that'd be a pucker little trade.
yeah.
To
Wait.
be fair, the trade down into that level could be quite good as well, because if we break down from here,
Mm.
maybe we see a little bit of a push up from that area of demand,
Yeah.
retest onto that daily level, and then come down and then play around that level for a little bit, and then we find that long trade that does something like that for a continuation. Just
Yeah.
playing around with little ideas, but it seems like a possibility. To be fair, I'm gonna add a little bit into this.
I think we've been sleeping on Euro GBP.
Oh mate, I when it goes, man.
See, like since like last week, it's been just since Tuesday, Wednesday the 22nd, it's just pushed up a little bit, and it just started making them higher highs, higher lows.
Tender, my man.
JT with
What a ledge. Tempted to get in this again. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna just leave the trades on the funding rock. I'm not gonna get it in any other account. I'm done for Friday. What else have we got on this? On gold, I think if we actually break above that 40.55 level,
Mm,
do you reckon we got a continuation?
probably if we break above, yeah,
Yeah, if we like have a where would be the 50% of this?
yeah, potentially,
Yeah.
potentially.
Then again, it's kind of struggling now. You don't know until it actually happens. Let's get back onto making some of these ideas up for next week. Top of the range USD Swiss 80.72 looks pretty decent.
Yeah, I think I'm actually going to start trading AUD USD.
AUD USD.
Yeah, I've been eyeing it up, especially whenever it has like nice red news events. Yeah, because Wednesdays we had CPI
Wow,
12.
that looks nasty though.
Yeah, what's that on? That's all. I wonder. Mm,
All of that looks crazy. I wonder what that looks like on a 5 minute.
not too bad. See, I think I figured it out.
It's tradable. That is tradable. Would be like a break retest off that.
Mm,
Let's just like for shits and gigs. Let's say you'd get long there. Theoretically, you'd look to get along there, get out at the top, and then it would just boom, take you out.
yeah.
Then it just come back in. There's a lot of different signals. Right, gold's coming down. Yeah, let me get out of these positions quick. Got out on gold. Let's have a little bit of a butchers on here. Making all of these ideas, did you say? Yeah, when do I ever make ideas? Just come in, just like banging out trades. But I do on the higher time frame though, that pound
Pound is it?
no, that euro pound looks super nice level to trade out of.
Yeah. Question is, when is it gonna come?
When is he gonna do that? Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could take a minute, to be fair. Mike, what are you looking at? What are you eyeing up? It's been an interesting week though. We've had quite a lot of volatility, to be fair. Like USD yen is, I don't trade it. On the
Yeah.
1 hour, it looks very like that is really nice.
Hmm.
That is really nice. Just the really sharp push up, retest on those EMAs. It's quite technical. I'm eyeing up a new account when you announce C Trader or NT5.
Trade locker isn't that bad. Mr. Mental Wealth.
Yeah, here, Trade Locker is the best platform in the world.
Hmm.
Can't beat it.
I was using C Trader, messing around with it earlier on this week on the laptop. I was like, what the hell is this?
Takes a little bit of getting used to.
Yeah. I think it's easier if you use it on the phone though.
Nah.
Oh,
Nah, it's awful, bro.
Hmm.
So bad. Yeah, C Trader on the phone, honestly, is like the worst application you can have. I don't know why they made such a bad app. MT5 on the phone's pretty decent, I'm not going to lie.
yeah.
Am I going to get back into gold? Did I just get out for no reason?
Gold is playing mind games.
Should we just have one more punt for the Friday? Let's go. Just because it's still in play and I cut it because I'm a massive wussy. It looks like it wants to hold, and if not, obviously my stop's just below. We had two people make 20% just on trading gold, man.
Whoa.
That's insane. One of them was on a 50K, and another one was on a 5K. Made a grand on a 5K account. Not bad. Not bad at all. What are you're eyeing up at 100K then, yeah?
Yeah. 100K.
What's the game plan?
Oof. Game plan is literally lock in. Yeah.
Yeah.
First and foremost. Check out. It all depends on how the news actually moves
Mm,
next week. Like
yeah.
we have ISM. Don't know about that on Monday.
Yeah.
Tuesday we have cash rate AUD. Don't know about that. And we have job jolts. Don't know about that.
Is there any of that actually happening though?
Yeah, those ones are most likely gonna happen.
Okay.
Then Wednesday, ADP non-farm exchange, non-farm employment change. That could be decent alongside ISM services. That one could be the one.
Mm.
Then allegedly NFP that same week, non-farm employment exchange.
Do you reckon you work better when there's news?
1000%.
Do you reckon that's why you've been feeling a bit flat for this week or this last 2 weeks because there's no news because the US is just done?
Yeah.
Man.
And the ways to say, oh, okay, and I'm like, usually it's like Thursdays is the day, unemployment claims. I eye it up, mark everything out, boom, boom, in, out, gone.
Yeah.
Then, like, as of recent, it's like, now I have to start looking at other news events that I don't really look at like that. Then I'm just kind of like, just scratching my head. And the funny thing is, I was never dependent on news before. But since I kind of started trading news, I was just like, you know what? You can pass a challenge in a day if you get it right. Like, I don't know.
Or what you do is you buy one with funding wrong, you buy one with another company. You go long or short. Don't do that, guys. I'm completely joking, okay? You don't do that. This is not. You're not supposed to hedge firms.
If you probably ask ChatGPT, ChatGPT
Mm.
will give you a good game plan.
You
But you
reckon?
spend a lot of money though.
I'm a little bit. Do you know what? I'm a little bit suspicious with the whole AI and trading and stuff, man. Because like,
Yeah.
maybe I'm gonna like grow up to be one of those old school guys that just be like, "Oh, remember back in my day, we used to manual trade."
Yeah.
Now all the kids are just doing like AI tricks and stuff. I don't know, but I don't know when there's something happens in the market, black swan event, and all these algos just blow up. I reckon it's just gonna make everything worse, man.
Fine. See, I tried to develop my own little trading bot using ChatGPT.
How did that go?
It was actually going kind of decent.
Okay.
And I just realized this is actually going to take time that I don't have right now.
Mm,
I had to do it like over one weekend. Then I started testing it out. I was like, it's actually not that bad.
yeah.
And I was like, actually, there's certain things I would see in my mind, but they're trying to put it into code and try and get ChatGPT to kind of understand what I'm saying. It's not going to work. Because like the thing with ChatGPT, you can say 1 plus 1 is what's 1 plus 1. You could, and then it'll say 2. Then you can say
Mm.
no, it's 3. Then it'll just keep agreeing with you. So it's just like I'm not looking for you to agree with me with everything I say. I'm looking for you to like kind of give me some solutions here. But yeah, I haven't given up though. It's just I'm just waiting for something. I don't know what it is, but something is gonna come and be like, this is what you've been waiting for. Who knows? We will see. We will see.
Oh, mate, as if I closed out that long like that. Like, just what was the point? What was the point of even closing it? Man? Closed it for just no reason.
It gets like that.
Fear, baby. Fear is an issue for traders. You want to see the spread on gold? So you're watching right now. I'll put on a teeny order and you're going to see the spread and the execution. Watch this. Boom. It's like you're in profit straight away. The spread is like 6 points, man. Like it probably isn't even 6 points at the moment. I think it's actually kind of ridiculous that the spread is that low. The spread is not supposed to be that low. There's definite.
That's what I would do.
Yeah, spread is. Yeah. 9 points, 9 whatever. Here we go.
Oof.
Here we go.
That's what we want to see.
As if I closed. What a massive. I know. Whoever told me to put on a trade, making me $4. My man. That's what I'm saying though. The spreads for gold, the conditions across every firm are pretty competitive of gold. But if you go on, you know, some of the majors and some of the cross majors, some of them are pretty lousy, man. Yeah. And that's why I think people make crazy killing on gold, obviously, because you know, it's volatile, but also the conditions are just ridiculously good. See if we can get that break.
Come on, bro.
Back to the drum and bass, finally. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
That soundtrack is just embedded in the back of my mind.
I don't know if that's a good thing or not, bro.
It's like when I hear it, I know I'm on stream. Every single
Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture. Everybody's in here that's saying MT5C trader. Keep doing it because I'm gonna send this to my boss.
Yeah.
Keep spamming it.
MT5, please.
Yeah, everybody just spam MT5 and C trader, please. I see you got the plans for the weekend. You're going for a couple of rounds of golf, huh? Have you ever played? Do you play golf, like in general?
I don't play it.
Have you played it?
Just driving range.
Driving range is fun. I've done driving range. I haven't played proper like on a golf course.
Yeah.
Driving range is cool.
Yeah. Driving range, there's one like 5 minutes away. So usually sometimes just pull up me and my friends. The proper clubs and all that. I'm like, yeah, let's do this. Let's go. But it's kind of shit when you don't go for a long time, especially if you swing, your form is fucked, yeah? In the day, but the following day, I always get like this pain over here. I'm like, oh, I shouldn't have been like swinging so hard. It actually just shows you like form is.
You're a boxer, man. You got those like muscles there, and you got like you warm up, no? Or is it just like one of those ones where you know it's only golf, you know, so you don't need to warm up?
Then I'll be watching all these videos. I'm like, oh, yeah, it's mad because when you're doing it yourself, you think you look clean. It looks smooth. Then when you watch somebody record you, you're just like, oh my god.
Or the worst, like when you look at like when I go to wrestling practice and I watch the coach and he does it and it just looks super easy, and then I go and do it and I'm like a noodle, bro. I'm like, why does it look so easy when he does it? I reckon you should try a bit of jiu-jitsu, man. I reckon you'd like it. A bit of grappling.
I actually would.
Yeah, it's super fun. Super fun.
I like all that. No homo.
Yeah, it's like, I think if you've got like a base of wrestling and boxing, you could be an absolute savage. Grappling's nice to have, obviously, but it's just wrestling and boxing. You're pretty much there.
Yeah, I've been seeing videos. I'm just like, woof. I actually wouldn't mind.
It's tough practice though. Those are the two that are hardest, I reckon. The hardest trainings is like wrestling and boxing. Boxing is just ruthless. Wrestling is just ruthless.
Combine them together. Yeah, see when I see videos, people just rolling and all that. It just looks smooth.
Yeah. There's something beautiful about it as well, man. When there's people that like proper ducking and weaving and like missing shots and stuff like that, and they're fully,
That's how you know when you get into that flow state.
Mm.
No one can be stopping you, man.
That flow state as well, like, goes into trading, man. Have you been in that kind of flow state where you just you feel the market? It's like you're like Neo in the Matrix, bro. You're just like,
nothing beats that feeling.
Stopping the market.
But when you get taken out of the flow state when you're trading, it's just like sometimes I look at like old screenshots of some trades I used to take, and I'm just like, how did I know it was gonna go to that point? Well, yeah, I feel like when you open up the charts, you have to give it a few minutes to just settle. Then after it settles, then like whatever music you play, so okay, let's lock in. No noise, nobody talk to me. Boom.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I don't know, man. I feel like my first initial impression when I come in and I just look at the chart and I don't look at anything else. If I say yes, that's a trade.
Yeah.
Normally my first impression's really good. If I start now looking at it and doing this and doing that, and then suddenly I start building up too many different ideas in my head of maybe why it wouldn't work and stuff like that, you know. The first initial one is just the best.
I realized for me as well, I actually don't like trading when there's people around. Throws me off.
Worst is if you're in drawdown and somebody comes in.
Because the thing is, I'll have my bias. I'm like, yeah, this is what I'm seeing. Somebody's like, oh, what about this? I'm just like, man, don't kill me again.
Like, I remember I had a trade on, and I was in drawdown, but I was all like, it was good trade. You know, I was just a little bit too heavy I was a little bit too heavy in it, but I was all right. And then a mate of mine was like, it's bad. You gotta keep going. Don't turn it on. I was like, I had a moment of weakness and I was just like, whatever, just close the trade, wait for the next one. As soon as I closed it, it turned around. And I was like, that is exactly why I don't listen to people, you know? Can never listen. You can only listen to yourself, man. For the good and for the bad.
Learned that the hard way in the market.
Yeah. Gotta pay that tuition. That's it. I thought you were supposed to be, it's like Halloween. I thought you were going trick-or-treating tonight.
Me?
You don't do trick? I thought this was your favorite holiday, bro.
I ain't doing no trick-or-treating. I might just see if my
Go
neighbor.
there for the sweets, man. I got a sweet tooth, so if that was me, I'd be like knocking on people's doors. I'd be like,
Yeah, no, I've got a sweet tooth as well. Let me say, yo. Well, I'm going to see. Plan of action tonight. Stepping out, hitting the club. Everybody's gonna be dressed up, and yeah, I'm just gonna pick up probably a Michael Myers mask or something real quick.
yeah.
And just go with the flow.
Okay, momentum is dying off just a little bit.
No.
This doesn't look that good now since it just did not continue. If I'm being honest. Because if I'm looking at this now, it's like, okay, you've had the double, the highs, we've broken structure, we've retested into a 50. Is this now going to come down a break? I think it will. I'm probably making too many decisions today, so I'm happy just to leave it. I don't care too much about it.
That's just Fridays, man.
Imagine if it goes up again. I made the same mistake twice. Yo, Sandeep, what's going on?
Sandeep in the house.
Yeah. That's it. It's all right. Got ourselves, been pretty much trading P&L for this week, to be fair. This can't be all the trades that I've done today. Why is it saying that? Buggy ass platform. But that is pretty much it. I think that's the end of the week. How's the week been, man? Like overall, it's been an interesting one, isn't it?
Yeah. It's been probably the quietest week I've had like the last month and a bit.
Yeah.
I think it was low key kind of needed, like really and truly speaking. But yeah, on the path now. Next week, plan of action, get that 100K using that 40% discount from the Rock. And then, yeah, I'm just going to scope out each news event, do some back testing, and just try and pick out which ones I think is going to make sense.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it. Like the strategy stays the same. It's just picking out which news event over the other, if you get me. So yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely think that EG's
gonna sell to that. Yeah. To that balance point.
Look at it. But there you go. If I stare at the charts too much, I'll end up taking another trade. So that's it. Get out. The market is always trying to advertise, always trying to bring you in.
Don't do it.
But that's it for this week and the end of the month.
Yeah.
End of the month, people. Hope your month has been good.
Damn.
It's gone fast.
We're on the second last month of the year.
Wow.
Damn. I didn't even think about it like that.
Nah, that's crazy.
Fuck.
Yeah. All right then. Nice one, Denzel. Thank you very much. See you later, guys. And that's it. Take care. That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the future. Best of luck.